Welcome back to the China Law 101 video series. I'm your host, Edgar Choi from Law in a Minute. In today's episode, we will be discussing on how to protect your intellectual property in China. Protecting your IP is crucial in order to prevent others from stealing or copying your ideas and products. We will be analyzing this topic from 5 key perspectives: copyright, patents, trademark, trade secrets, and competition law. China offers automatic copyright protection for original literacy, artistic, musical, and dramatic works, as well as computer software. However, it is strongly recommended to register your copyright with the National Copyright Administration of China, NCAC, to obtain stronger legal protections and remedies in case of infringement. Chinese courts have been known to award significant damages in case of copyright infringement, so it is important to take action if you catch a copycat. For patent protection in China, you can apply for a patent for an invention, utility model, or design. It is highly recommended to apply for a patent as soon as possible since China operates on the first-to-file system. This means that whoever files for a patent first, regardless of who came up with the idea, will own the rights to the patent. Also, please note that patents are limited to region, which means that even if you have filed for a patent, say, in Italy, it does not mean that you have any sort of protection in China. Therefore, it is extremely important to register a patent in China if you plan on using a Chinese factory to manufacture your products, as I have heard too many horror stories regarding factories stealing patents. The factory will actually register a patent in China, and as the rightful patent owner, they can file reports to China Customs in order to stop your goods from leaving China, unless you pay them a huge amount of money to buy your patents back. Trademark registration is essential for protecting your brand in China. The first step in securing your trademark is conducting a thorough search to ensure that your mark is not already registered or being used by someone else. Once you have confirmed that your trademark is available, you can proceed with the registration process through the China National Intellectual Property Administration, CNIPA. Again, trademarks are regional, so just because your trademark is registered overseas doesn't mean that you get Chinese protection. Trade secrets refer to confidential information that gives a company a competitive advantage, such as customer lists, pricing data, and manufacturing processes. Unlike patents and trademarks, there is no formal registration process for trade secrets in China. However, companies can take steps to protect their trade secrets through non-disclosure agreements, NDAs, with employees and business partners. It is also important to implement internal security measures such as access controls and employee training to prevent trade secret theft. Unfair competition refers to copycat behavior that is not under the 4 sectors stated above. Let's say that you are a famous Italian restaurant in Shanghai, and recently another Italian restaurant opened up shop with the same exact style as yours, including pizza ovens, recipes, dishes, and interior decoration like color of walls, tables, and chairs. A cheap replica of your restaurant basically. This would be violation of competition law because consumers might confuse that restaurant with yours because they look exactly the same. In conclusion, protecting your intellectual property in China requires a comprehensive approach that integrates different forms of protection from copyright to competition law. It is crucial to work with local attorneys and establish robust internal security measures to safeguard your intellectual property and defend against infringement. My law firm has extensive experience in IP law, so please do not hesitate to contact me for IP protection under any or all of the 5 areas that I've mentioned. By taking proactive steps to protect your intellectual property, you can mitigate risks and ensure the long-term success of your business in China. This is the end of today's video, and I hope you have enjoyed my content. Let me know about your thoughts in the comment section below, and stay tuned for our next episode on what to do if your landlord refuses to return your deposit.